here's one we don't see every day at Unique, especially in classics. What a classic import. 1976 Datsun 280Z two-door coupe. As you can see, riding on the mini light inspired wheels. Underneath the hood, 2,753 cc inline six, otherwise known as 168 cubic inches. That is paired up with a 3-speed automatic transmission. As we take a look at the front chin spoiler, take a look at the grille. Now this vehicle, according to the previous owner, has had a repaint along the line. It does show its age a little bit. If I can kind of get this to show up here. The paint's kind of checked, I guess. There is some checking. There you go. There you can kind of see it. I mean, it has a nice luster to it, don't get me wrong. It's good and red, but there's some imperfections here and there throughout it. So one of those, get in, drive it, have some fun, take it to your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, your local shows. Again, you just don't see a lot of these out there. Take your time looking through the still pictures. You'll be able to see the engine bay, the underside, the interior. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there as we look down the passenger side. I have noticed a few spots in the lower rockers. I'll kind of show you the one over here. I did notice a little corrosion down here. Another spot on the driver's side I kind of point out as we get along. That side of the car and take a peek at it. Black vinyl bucket seats. Center console with the shifter. Said console. Aftermarket stereo system. Come back here, flat black louvers and rear wing. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Also, car cover, service manual, fire extinguisher will be included with the purchase of this vehicle. Let's go ahead and take a look down the driver's side here. See plenty of tread left in the tires. Spot I was kind of talking about over here. It's up a little further on this side. Corrosion there also. But like I said earlier, again, one of those, get in, drive it, have some fun, enjoy it. Not going to see them every day. Go ahead and take a look at the interior. Door panels, carpeting. Take a look at the seats. We're going to fire it up, let you hear it run. Check out the engine bay. Did play around a little bit in here earlier. Horn works, wipers work. The stereo works. Also a more modern stereo, so you do have Bluetooth capabilities there also. Nice sounding car. Does have headers on it also, which definitely help liven it up as far as sound and performance. Shut that door, I won't have to listen to the buzzer. So your center gauge cluster, voltmeter, fuel, oil pressure, and temp. That was a cold start, so don't assume that temp will be up there very far. Take a look at the dash. Alright, warm up a little bit. Release that hood too here. Slip around the back and hear it run. Again, inline 6 power. Cool sounding car, no doubt about that. Let's see, I think I can get this hood open one-handed here. Let's try it.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There we go. So overhead cam, inline 6. There's those headers I was mentioning earlier. 168 cubic inches, a 2,753 cc inline 6. Nice clean engine bay. Slip around to the other side so you can see that. There you go. 1976 Datsun 280Z, two-door coupe. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.